Friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to solve another problem that is related to superposition theorem. Okay, here the question is given that find current in forum using superposition theorem. Okay, here you see three sources are present. One is 10 volt, one is 2 ampere, and another is 20 volt. So that we can apply superposition theorem. Okay, here the question is given, find current in this forum. Okay, for superposition theorem we know that it is the algebraic sum of individual response. Okay, individual response means one source is active and another source, all other source are deactive. Then find this current and respectively other source like that, and finally we make algebraic sum of the individual response. Okay, first we are going to consider this 10 volt. First we consider this 10 volt. 10 volt consider this 10 volt. Okay, so other source are deactivated. Okay, here one current source deactive and one voltage source. According to the deactive method, the current source should be open circuited and this voltage source should be short circuited. Current source 2 ampere open circuit and 20 volt short circuit. Okay, then we redraw this network. Okay, according to this is as usual 10 volt is there. Okay, and this 2 ohm and this is 2 ohm. Okay, and this is 4 ohm. Okay, this is open circuited. Okay, where current source open circuited and voltage source short circuited when deactive. Okay, this is our previous video, we discussed about this, please watch this. This is 2 ohm and this is 4 ohm. Okay, this is 3 ohm. Okay, this is short circuit. We need to find current in this 4 ohm resistor. We need to find current this 4 ohm due to 10 volt, due to this 10 volt. Okay, so for finding this current we need total current. This is this current, total current IT. Okay, let we make this is IA dash. Okay, we need to find this current. For finding this current we need to find this current. For total current, I total means total voltage, this 10 volt and R equivalent. Okay, so we need to find this R equivalent. Okay, this R equivalent is equal to, see, this is open circuited, so these two are series, 4 plus 3 series, these two are series. Okay, so that this is 4 plus 3 equal to, sorry, this is series and parallel with this. Okay, this is 7 parallel with 2, then plus 2. Okay, this is equal to 7 into 2 divided by 7 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, we finally got this answer is 3.556 ohm. Okay, this is the equivalent resistance. Then we find current, total current. Here the total current IT is equal to 10 divided by 3.556. okay, this is 2.81246. okay, this much. Okay, this is the total current. Okay, if this is IT, then we find this IA dash, then apply current division rule. IA dash equal to total current IT into opposite direction, this is 2 ohm, divided by sum of 2 plus this 7, this is equal to 2.81246 into 2 divided by 9, this is equal to 0.6 2499 ampere. Okay, here you see for 10 volt we find current in 4 ohm is 0.6249. Here one thing consider, where the current direction due to 10 volt. Okay, here see the current direction like this, means left to right. Okay, mention it 10 to left to right. Okay, next case we consider this 20 volt. This consider 20 volt. Okay, consider this 20 volt. Okay, when we consider this 20 volt, we need to deactive all other source. All other source means this 2 ampere and 10 volt. Okay, here 2 ampere is open circuited and 10 volt is to short circuited. Okay, for deactive. Okay, again modified circuit is likewise. Then modified circuit is the short circuit this 10 volt, short circuit this 10 volt, and this is as usual 2. Okay, and this is 4 ohm. Okay, and this 2 ampere is open circuited, and this is 3 ohm. This is mention name, this 20 volt, this is 3 ohm, this is 4 ohm. Okay, see this is 2 ohm and this is 2 ohm. Okay, here you see we need to find current in 4 ohm due to 20 volt. Okay, so we mention the name is I double dash. Okay, here I single dash, here I double dash. Here see the direction is right to left. Okay, for finding this current we need to find, this means this total current is I double dash, so we need to find this I double dash. Okay, I double dash is the total voltage by R equivalent. So first we need to find R equivalent or equivalent resistance of this circuit. Okay, here you see these two are in parallel, so that this 2 is parallel. Okay, 2 parallel to, then these 2 in series, then this 2 4 plus 3. Okay, this is 2 parallel 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. This is plus 4 plus 3. Okay, this is 1 plus 4 plus 3. This is equal to 8 ohm. This is equal to 8 ohm. Okay, here we find the total resistance. Then we need to find how much current. Okay, we know this current, this I double dash is equal to this total voltage 20 divided by 8. 20 divided by 8. Okay, 20 divided by 8. This is equal to 2.5 ampere. Here you see what is the direction of the current. Direction of current right to left. Here the direction is left to right. Okay, always remember the direction when you consider the final answer. This is very important thing. Okay, next our third case to deactive this 2 ampere. Okay, go to next third case. Okay, second, consider, here I am going to consider 2 ampere source, then 10 volt is to short circuited and 20 volt also short circuit. Here we are going to find the current in 4 ohm resistor due to this 2 ampere source. Okay, this 2 is short circuited. Okay, here you can see this is short circuited and this is short circuit. Okay, this is this is 4 ohm. Okay, this is 2 ampere. Okay, this to be short circuit. This is short circuited and this is short circuited. This is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, this is 3 ohm. Okay, this is 2 ampere. Here you see here the 2 ampere divided between this 3 ohm and this total 3 ohm, total this circuit. Okay, here you can modify circuit to find this 4 ohm in the direction. Okay, the modified circuit is likewise, these two are parallel. Okay, these two is parallel, so that like that, this is 1 ohm, this is 4 ohm. Okay, this is 3 ohm. Okay, this is 2 ampere, this is 5. Okay, where you can apply current division rule. Okay, for finding, let's the name is IA triple dash. Okay, here IA triple dash is equal to 2 into opposite resistance is 3 divided by sum of resistance 3 plus 5. Okay, this is 0.75. Okay, here you can see the current direction like right to left. Okay, here you see for finding total current in 4 ohm resistor is the, according to superposition, the algebraic sum of the individual response. Algebraic sum of the individual response. Algebraic sum means always check the polarity. Okay, first we see according to for the 10 volt, when consider this 10 volt, the current is 0.6294, but direction is this direction. Okay, so that, and this is for when you consider this 20 volt, when you consider this 20 volt current is likewise. Okay, and when we consider this 2 ampere, the current direction is left to right. Okay, so when we consider this 10 volt, the current is 0.62499 62499, but okay, the direction is in the direction. Okay, when you consider 20 volt, the current is 2.5, but direction is in this direction. Okay, when you consider 2 ampere, this current is 0.75 in this direction. Okay, this 20 volt and 2 ampere current direction is same, so that is addition and subtract with this. Okay, so then finally I in 4 ohm is equal to 2.5 plus 0.7 minus 0.62499. Okay, then this is equal to 2.62 ampere. Okay, here you can say you can write a question, but this is the direction, but actual direction of current flowing in which direction. Okay, here you see this both are positive. Okay, so the direction is according to this. Okay, so the final current direction is right to left, means in this circuit the final current direction is in this direction, Okay, thank you. This is your final answer. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.